Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Ligonier, local and long distance movers near me. When you're moving over a distance of 50 miles or more, it's a long distance move. We work with the appropriate authorities in charge of relocation within the state and outside the state, so you can trust us to deliver. We also go the extra length to ensure the safety of your belongings. Our movers are careful when sorting, arranging, and loading your items. We also maintain our moving trucks to not break down during the long distance trips. Our drivers have extensive knowledge of minor and major roadworks. They also know and follow every highway rule. We've also put in place insurance policies to cover risk and protect your interests throughout the entire period of the move. A local move happens within a distance of 50 miles or less. Although it's a shorter distance than long distance moves, you will do yourself a favor by doing a lot of preparation adequately. 3 Movers is a leading local firm in Ligonier. We have an ongoing work strategy and delivery system. You don't have to wait for long before we get to you. We also entirely operate in the city, responding promptly to your calls. In addition to our prompt and efficient service, our moving rates are pocket friendly. We want locals to enjoy the best benefits with their budgets. We charge as low as $30 to $40 hourly. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Ligonier moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.